Garlic and turmeric are not just kitchen staples, they're powerhouses of health. Garlic, with its allicin, is a fantastic immune booster. It helps lower cholesterol and keeps our hearts healthy. Plus, it fights off infections like a champ and aids digestion, making it a great ally for weight loss too. Now, let's talk about turmeric. Its magic lies in curcumin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory. It strengthens our immune system, detoxifies the body, and even works wonders for our skin, tackling everything from acne to scars. And if you want to boost your brain health, turmeric is your go-to. Combining these two is simple. Start your day with a detox drink. Just mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a crushed garlic clove in warm water. For skin issues, a paste of both can provide relief. And for a cozy treat, try golden milk with turmeric and garlic to soothe colds and coughs. Embrace these natural wonders for a healthier you.